Welcome to an in-depth look at silviculture, the art and science of controlling forest establishment, growth, composition, and health. We'll be covering reproduction, regeneration, and afforestation. Silviculture is essential for maintaining forest productivity and ensuring the sustainability of timber and non-timber forest products. It starts with understanding how trees reproduce. Tree reproduction involves both sexual and asexual methods. Sexual reproduction through flowering and seeding is fundamental to genetic diversity and long-term forest renewal. Sometimes, artificial methods are used to stimulate early flowering, which is often concerned with manipulating carbohydrate flow within the tree. Techniques include root pruning, girdling, and specific fertilization, especially with phosphorus. Seed dormancy is a survival mechanism, allowing seeds to germinate only under favorable conditions. To break dormancy, we use methods like scarification, which breaks the hard seed coat, or stratification, which involves exposure to cold, moist conditions. Vegetative reproduction, or asexual propagation, produces new plants from leaves, stems, or roots of a single parent. This ensures genetic identity and is advantageous when seeds are not viable or for faster propagation. Common vegetative methods include root suckers, shoots arising from the root of a woody plant, coppicing, where new shoots sprout from a cut stem near the ground, and cuttings, planting a portion of the stem, root, or branch. Layering involves covering a branch with soil or a medium to encourage rooting while still attached to the parent, such as air or soil layering. Grafting physically joins parts of two plants, the scion and the stalk, to combine desirable traits. Regeneration is the process of renewing a forest crop, either naturally or artificially. It is vital for sustainable forest management, replacing old trees and increasing green cover. The two main types are natural regeneration, relying on self-sown seeds or vegetative means, and artificial regeneration, which involves human activities like sowing, planting, or cutting. Natural regeneration by seed is achieved through various silvicultural systems. Clear felling removes all trees, and regeneration happens naturally or artificially. Shelterwood systems use a series of fellings to encourage regeneration under the remaining canopy. Artificial regeneration is key for introducing desired species, supplementing natural growth in bare areas, and replacing less valuable species with more productive ones. The advantages of artificial regeneration include quicker results, more even stocking, and the ability to precisely regulate species composition compared to the slower, less predictable process of natural regeneration. Artificial methods involve planting, such as naked root or container planting, and various sowing techniques like broadcasting, dibbling, line sowing, or patch sowing, each suited to different site conditions. The success of artificial regeneration hinges on the quality of seeds and proper nursery management. Seeds must be collected, extracted, cleaned, and stored to maintain viability. Seed testing determines purity and germination percentage. Storage, whether dry or moist, is critical to preserve viable seeds, especially for species with infrequent good seed years. Nurseries, temporary or permanent, are vital for producing healthy, desired seedlings at the right time. Site selection requires considering soil, water supply, transportation, and labor availability. Afforestation, converting non-forested land into forest, is crucial for increasing forest cover, controlling erosion, and meeting the demand for forest products. In dry areas, afforestation often requires irrigation, utilizing methods like flood or trench irrigation. For canal banks, planting enhances landscape beauty and provides windbreaks. Afforesting denuded hill slopes and ravine lands focuses on hardy, ground-covering species to reduce siltation and floods. Aesthetic plantations are done in public spaces for beautification. Silviculture provides the essential methods for tree reproduction, forest regeneration, and afforestation, ensuring the long-term health and productivity of our forests. Thank you for watching.